These chains and
okay, go ahead.
these chains and come along we put in this morning. There are 3 of them. We saw that the walls were heading out, and we put some braces on the outside, and then used the come along to draw the building in, and hopefully keep it and secure it. Safely jack it up.
This one is the I can just dump it, they can throw it in with a machine, they can do that.
We need a second sheet?
Yeah, we'll get this one.
Right.
That end goes that way, this one goes around the beam.
What am I doing?
Yeah.
Going in?
Well, that's the thing, if it's going into a dumpster, which...
You ain't got a machine down there?
Daniel, watch out now.
19th, 2012.
Well, there's been other things done up there.
Taking down the cedar shingles on the side.
Right? Yeah.
Corner board, take this hammer right here.
Hello. Peter, come here. Did you have some old shingle on the house you were working on?
Don't you need 2 cars? Like, you know, you're a 2-car family now, aren't you? Got 2 cars. We got any more tops?
A little leaky.
I'm leaking oil, are you? We got any more tops, John?
Very good. Love it. I'll see you next week.
I want to get on film having a tool in my hand.
You did it all.
There, I got it on film. That helped. Oh, that's gonna leave a mark.
We could build it off-site and move it down there.
Get that shooter to come in and have stones.
You talk nice and white.
Yep. It's in my phone set. The phone tells me what to do. That's why I'm staying around here, right? Otherwise, it'd be telling me to do something. I don't know what it is.
Yeah. You're like this now.
I put all my...
Hey Pino, is there a place that Michael could bring us to the city, town, and unload them shingles?
Yeah, well, you take some pictures.
Yeah.